Take a moment to check out the 2020 Honda Civic. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. You'll look smart and sporty in the Civic sedan. It packs sophisticated style, impressive fuel efficiency, powerful performance, and advanced safety and connectivity technology. Best of all, it's simply a joy to drive. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, backup camera, electronic stability control, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer, engine immobilizer, power windows. Refined yet aggressive, efficient yet powerful. That's the Honda Civic sedan. All it needs is you.